Energy, the future currency.
We thought data was the new oil. We were wrong. In a world where artificial intelligence makes trillions of decisions every second, there is only one true currency left: energy. AI consumes electricity like a black hole, but how does a machine pay for its hunger? Fiat currencies are too slow. Bitcoin Core is too expensive. In the shadows of the digital revolution, a forgotten giant rises: Bitcoin Cash, energy as currency. Welcome to the year 2026. Energy is no longer just a commodity, it is the unit of account for existence itself. Every prompt, every image generation, every autonomous bot requires joules. When one AI buys services from another, it cannot wait for a bank transfer. It needs a transaction as pure and efficient as the power that fuels it. This is where energy and money merge. The BTC problem many call Bitcoin digital gold, but gold is immobile. When the network is congested and a single transaction costs $50, the AI starves. In an economy built on microtransactions, thousandths of a cent for a second of computing power, BTC is useless. It is a vault, not an engine. The vision, remember the goal? A peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It was never about speculation. It was about efficiency. Bitcoin Cash didn't change the code to limit it. It changed it to set it free. BCH, fuel for the machines. Bitcoin Cash is to the AI economy what superconductors are to electronics: zero resistance with large blocks and ultra-low fees. Machines can process millions of payments per hour. When AI agents decide which network to use, they won't choose the best marketing. They will choose the highest energy efficiency per transaction, CTA. The future won't be televised, it will be calculated on the blockchain. If you want to understand which coins will survive when the machines take over, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell before the algorithm decides for you. Smart BCH and autonomy. Imagine this: a solar farm produces excess energy. An AI detects this, buys the power via a smart contract using BCH, and immediately resells the computing power. No humans, no banks, just pure mathematical exchange. Bitcoin Cash is the currency that enables this energy arbitrage. The deflationary battery, the economic paradox. What happens when money itself becomes stored energy? In the old world, your money loses value while electricity prices soar. Bitcoin Cash flips the script. Since BCH is capped at 21 million units, it acts like a digital battery that never loses capacity. As AI systems become more efficient, they require less energy per computation. In a BCH-based system, this means your purchasing power increases in proportion to the technological singularity. It is the first time in history that technological progress flows directly into the user's pocket, rather than into the inflationary maw of central banks. The battle for the nodes, infrastructure of power. We are moving away from centralized data centers toward a decentralized mesh economy. Imagine millions of tiny AI nodes in cars, refrigerators, and drones. These nodes must constantly balance resources with one another. If a node is stuck in traffic, it sells its computing power to a nearby server. Bitcoin Cash is the protocol that enables this exchange without permission. Whoever controls the cheapest and fastest transaction layer controls the flow of civilization. BCH is not just a coin, it is the TCP/IP of money, upon which the operating system of the future is running. But beware, the powerful hate efficiency they cannot control. They will tell you BCH is insecure. They are lying. Security comes from utility, not stagnation. A network that cannot be used is a network without a future. We are on the eve of a new era. Energy is the currency, AI is the actor, and Bitcoin Cash is the tool. Will you hold on to the old world or build the new
Bitcoin
one?
to survive was the
Choose
hard fork.
wisely. The system never sleeps. We are only at the beginning of this journey. The fusion of energy and code will change everything about how we work, pay, and live. But this channel doesn't run on algorithms alone, it runs on you. The community that is willing to look behind the curtain of the global monetary system. A massive thank you to everyone who has been part of this journey so far. Your support is the fuel for this channel. If this analysis opened your eyes, show us by hitting the like button. It helps the algorithm push this information to the people who need to see it most. Now I want to hear from you. Do you believe energy will truly become the world currency of tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. I read and replied to as many as I can, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and join the movement. We'll see you in the next block. Stay curious, stay free.
The Sol and ETH pools are stabilizing. We need that majority holding in Bitcoin Cash real estate.
Agreed. Execute the smart contract now.
Die eine, ein digitales Gold. Die andere, das Versprechen von globalen Transaktionen.